Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great small sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2018 Lexus IS 300. This Lexus is powered by all-wheel drive V6 engine, automatic transmission, and has 79,135 miles. Elevate your drive with this sleek 2018 Lexus IS 300. Experience luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, all at an unbeatable price. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity. Schedule your test drive today. This pre-owned IS 300 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control, cooled seats. To keep you entertained, this Lexus IS 300 is equipped with Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.